Hello, welcome to Mr. 8, and today's video will show you how to get your first proxy. Today's video will explain step by step. I will explain the platform where I'm using, how I get the proxies and how you can set them up. If you are like me, you do data scraping or you just create social media account like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter accounts, use them for like social media campaign like, subscribe, etc. Then you sell them. Maybe you are doing like data scraping like me here, or you're just using the multi-login accounts like what I'm doing here. You will basically need a proxy. Why you will need a proxy? Because you want to have like a unique identity. You want to have some sort of separation, or you isolate those accounts. So let me show you. So we'll click synchronizer and I will click here and we'll click sync. And by the way, this software is I already explained how to use this software. So this tab here is a unique browser with a unique IP identity. This one is the same, this one is the same. So you can do this. If you want to do something like this, you will need basically a proxy. You don't need a VPN, it won't work. You will need a proxy. And how to get a proxy, let me show you how we will do this. So you will go to the description, right? And you copy a link. It's called this one here, and the moment you click, it will take you to this platform and you will click start with Google or just click sign up to you. So I'm just going to use Google because it's kind of easy, and you will log in using my email and we'll have a dashboard like this. So basically the platform gives you 10 proxies for free, and this one is the IP address, this one is the port, username and password. And let me show you here proxy list, and as you see, I have 300 proxies for over 3 years since 2021, and I'm using these proxies, work like a charm. So how you can get the proxies? So the first step you want to know is the setup is like this. You have the IP here, you have the port, the username and password, you can change them later, and here it shows you when it was checked, so they make sure that it's working. And you have, so basically you can use these proxies through username and password. You can give them to your friends, your buddies. I don't know, should I use them on a VPS, RDP, etc. Or you can use the IP authentication method, which means basically you only can use these proxies on a specific IP. And how you do this, you go to settings, IP authorization, and you add your computer or RDP or VPS IP. You click add new IP and you add the IP here. And basically what you are going to do is you are telling the platform only the specific IP can use these proxies. So if I enable this option and I give you the proxies, it won't work for you because you don't have that IP range. So how we can buy the proxies? So very straightforward. You have the dashboard, which is the dashboard. Like basically you're going to see the statistic here, how much data you consumed, etc. Then you have the proxy list with your proxies, and we have the settings. As I mentioned, here you have the username and password, like blah blah blah, like this, the username, and blah blah is the password, and maybe 111 like this. And basically we just created a username and password for the proxies. IP authorization, here you have your username, and replace proxies on the free account, free membership. You cannot replace the proxies, but you can replace them if you buy the premium one, or they will automatically replace some of the proxies, the one that get banned or damaged. The bandwidth is how much speed data you consume. Error, if you give the proxies to someone and they cannot log in, it will show here. Activity, it will show if you visit Google, etc., it will show here. The subscription, which is where the magic happens. So you click browse plan, and we have the proxy server, the basic one, the one I'm using right now. We click here and we want to use the shared one. We don't mind having it shared, and I will select 100 proxy. You can select 100, or you can just go to custom, and maybe you're like, I don't know, 125. Okay, I like 125 proxy, and the data I will select 250 gig. So we want 125 proxies to 50 gig of data, and I want 125 proxy from US, so I will do 125 from US, or maybe 10 from US, 100 from United Kingdom, and I don't know, 10 from here. And you see we will pay 26 today. And maybe I will do this. Click save. And you see it will cost us $3. So basically $3 a month, 368 cents a month. Then I don't want to refresh, I don't want this one, I don't want that's it, and we will click continue. And it will ask you about for the stuff, we don't want it. And voila, our plan is basically we have 123 proxies, 250 gig of data a month, and they will automatically replace 10 proxies a month, which is good. You can replace them later if you want. And here you can make a payment, enter your credit card information. I'm not sure if they accept PayPal. You can ask them, send a chat, talk to the chat, and they will definitely help you out. Or you can go by year and save 20%. Boom, that's it. And what I'm going to do now, I will show you my proxies. So this is my proxy list. And I will click download, and it will show me this list here. And I will do this. And as you see, I have 300 proxies. So how you can use these proxies? Very simple. You just copy this IP here. And you will go to your favorite software, I don't know, Roxy browser, like multi-login platform. And you go to proxies. And I will click add proxy. And I will add it here, and the moment I click here, you see automatically read the proxies, the port, and I click test, make sure it's working. Boom, voila, it's working. Then I click save. And because the proxy is already on the platform, so it doesn't allow me to add it again. And that's pretty much everything. And you can use them 24/7. You can share them with your friend and split the cost if you want. And yeah, that's it. In case the proxy is banned or broken or something like this, if you go to replaced, you can see, which is something I very like on this platform. You see the new address is this one, and the old IP address is this one. So this proxy, I think, got banned, and it was changed 16 days ago. So which is amazing. So they will give you a new proxy if the proxy is broken or something like this. That's pretty much everything. If you have any question, feel free to post it in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer your question. Bye.